Hey, you see me, Judge? What up?
Hey, Mr.
What up?
Hernandez.
You see me? What?
Mr. Hernandez.
What do you want, Judge? You see me? Am I live?
Mr. Hernandez, you're charged with robbery today. And if you stay calm, I'll be nice to you, you be nice to me, and we'll get through this hearing, all right?
Listen, I got one thing to tell you, Judge, and that is that only Jesus Christ can judge me.
Yes,
all right?
sir.
You judge people as if your tongue is a gavel, and you prosecuted a lot of innocent people that were my brothers and sisters.
Yes,
and you think for 1 second I'm gonna let you do the same to me. You're not mistaken, my friend.
Just leave him there, but just shut that off. Okay. State, he's charged with robbery. Does he have a criminal record?
One moment, Your Honor.
Oh, well, I'm going to appoint the PD. I'm going to just state for the record that this court normally needs to find out somebody's ties to the community, their ability to post bond, but I believe that engaging in that conversation with Mr. Hernandez today would be fruitless and based on what the court's seen today. So the court's just going to have to set a bond based on the facts of the case and whether or not he's got a criminal record. And the court notes that his behavior in court is erratic.
Patrice.
Bordering on being violent. Go ahead.
I can tell you, 2010, he had wearing a mask to conceal his identity. He was investigated in 2010 for violating a domestic violence injunction that was dropped. Patrice, do you by any chance have any notes of anything outside of Broward? Okay.
Is that it?
That's all I have, Judge.
Mr. Hernandez, I do see you reside in Fort Lauderdale. It says for 48 months. You have a Fort Lauderdale address. However, this court does note that it was observed by a Broward Sheriff's deputy that you punched a woman in the face. Her purse was on the ground. You allegedly violently grabbed her purse, tried running away with it, but she held on. You allegedly picked up $200 in cash, which was inside the victim's purse, ran away, and returned to the victim, allegedly punched her in the face several more times. And there's a deputy Stambaugh allegedly arrived on the scene and caught you beating the woman. And there's also 3 witnesses who work in the area who observed you doing this. She suffered injuries to her face and head. Okay, sir. Based on what the court notes is your criminal record, the facts of the case, the level of violence, and the court's concerned that your behavior, as you demonstrated today, a threatening manner, threatening words, erratic behavior. The court has great concern for the safety of the community, and noting the level of violence, the court's going to set your bond today at $50,000. The court will order pretrial release with a GPS monitor. That will be level 1. And the court will order that you are not allowed to have any contact directly or indirectly with Marie Pompey. No contact with her. You must stay 500 feet from her at all times.